In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Hubspot to Outlook. Today, we are going to integrate Hubspot into your Outlook experience so you can work with Hubspot features directly from the emails you already use every day. This is especially helpful if you manage leads, track customer conversations, or want Hubspot tools to appear in your workflow without constantly switching between apps. This is the place where you can find add-ins and extensions designed for Microsoft products. On screen, you will want to make sure you are in the correct marketplace environment, since that ensures you are searching in the right catalog. Next, search for Hubspot Sales. After you click into the search field, type Hubspot Sales and give it a moment to load the results. This name is important because it helps you find the exact add-in that is meant for sales users and works specifically with Outlook integration. Once you see the matching result, select Hubspot Sales. Take a second to confirm that the listing is the one you intend to install. Look for the developer or publisher details on the listing page to make sure it is coming from the correct source. This small check helps you avoid installing something unintended. Now click Get It Now. This step starts the installation process. Depending on your browser and account settings, you may be prompted to confirm that you want to add the application to your Microsoft environment. Go ahead and proceed when you are ready. After you click Get It Now, click Continue. This is usually the confirmation screen where the marketplace finalizes the next actions. You may see details such as permissions or what the add-in can access. If anything looks unclear, pause for a moment and review the information before moving forward. With the marketplace installation step complete, you are ready to switch to Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer and let it fully load. It is helpful to wait until Outlook finishes updating any interface elements so the add-in appears properly. Now open an email and select Hubspot Sales. In Outlook, go to your inbox or open any existing email thread you want to test. Once the email is open, look for a section, button, or panel that says Hubspot Sales. You may see it appear as an option in the message toolbar or as a related add-in area, depending on your Outlook version. Finally, once you select Hubspot Sales, you should be able to interact with the Hubspot features for that message. If it does not show immediately, give Outlook a moment and make sure you have the latest version running. In many cases, reloading Outlook after the add-in is installed can help the integration appear. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.